Well, last year we had about a year-long project and we hadn't even released the new procurement app yet. And I was able to sort of plan out and make all these purchases for scheduled releases, and everything went according to plan, and it was just such a relief, but also such a big win when it was over. It was very, very cool.
I mean, I was a little bit anxious about being a hiring manager because I know it can be very difficult to like kind of find people that work, but like we found people that work and it's like really good. And I've never worked on a team that like kind of meshes this well. So I think that's definitely the biggest W that I've had.
Putting together this space that we're in right now, our warehouse space, right when I came on, we expanded and moved into this space and built it all, and we got to take time to actually like set it up and get it laid out the way we want to, and that was fun.
Yeah, I think the biggest win for me is watching my team grow and get excited about their work every day too. Just watching them move through all the different stages of their work and experiencing new and exciting things and getting excited about it.
Very shortly after I started, we were expanding, so I got to be involved in the growing of our team. And we recently hired another engineer on our team, Joel, and Joel is absolutely amazing. And it took us quite a while to find the right fit, but we're very, very happy to have him. So I think that's a win for us.
Most of my activities, or a big part of it, are developing standard procedures and writing them up, putting in paper. When I finish one up for all the processes that we have and like constantly changing, it's like very rewarding, and that's like a big win for me to be able to actually share what we're doing and be able to train people and communicate what we do to everybody. So that's my biggest win.